I'll guide you through the complete process to delete your old Facebook account without the password, email, or phone number, bypassing the login barrier. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Let's start with the direct recovery method. This method attempts to convince Facebook that you are the legitimate owner, so you can delete the account yourself. On a web browser, navigate to facebook.com/login/identify. Click Enter your name or email and click Search. We are locating the specific profile. Look for your profile and click This is my account next to it. When recovery options appear, click No longer have access to these to trigger the identity verification path. You may be asked to provide a new email or phone number for contact and upload your government-issued ID. This proves your identity matches the account. If it matches, Facebook grants temporary access to delete the account yourself. If, however, Facebook shows try another device to continue, you are now stuck in a security loop because it doesn't recognize your current device. You must either try logging in from an old phone or computer, or try the next method. If that doesn't work, try a quick impersonation report. This method flags the account for violating community standards, forcing Facebook to review and potentially delete it. Log into your current Facebook account and use the search bar to find the old profile. Click on the name to open it. Click the three dots menu icon, then tap Report Profile to initiate a review process. Choose Something About This Profile. This frames your old account as a security violation. Submit the quick report to put the account under review immediately. Facebook will notify you of the outcome, but this method is often denied without further evidence. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Facebook video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.